Stay with me, and I'll show you how you can get $3 right now. Today, I want to present 6 steps to make $10 to $200 almost instantly. If you have some followers, you could achieve this in 1 week or even faster. Let's dive into the easiest side hustle possible. Just to make it clear, this is an educational video, and every business, even the easiest one, comes with some risk. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not professional advice. However, you can contact me, and I'll help you minimize the risk based on my personal experience. So, what is a side hustle? A side hustle is a way to earn extra money outside your regular 9-to-5 job or school. For most of us, the idea of managing a business after a full day of work can feel overwhelming. That's why the best side hustle should be easy, low risk, and flexible enough to fit into your busy schedule. One of the simplest and most effective ways to start is through affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you don't need to invest in products, manage inventory, or handle shipping. Instead, you promote existing products from trusted brands, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's low risk, with minimal costs and no long-term commitment. Plus, it's easy to start or stop whenever you need. Now let me give you the best example, the Temu affiliate program. Temu is one of the fastest growing online marketplaces, with millions of affordable products that people love. This makes it the perfect place to start your first affiliate journey because it's easy to promote products that practically sell themselves. With Temu, you can make your first $10 quickly, sometimes even faster than you'd expect. Here's how. 1. Sign up for the program. It's free and quick, and you'll get an instant $3 welcome gift added to your account. 2. Use my affiliate link to unlock even more benefits. By signing up through my link, you could get up to $200 in free credit based on your social media presence. This gives you a head start on earning. 3. Replicate the process. Link your Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube account to share your affiliate links. Basically, do what I do. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission of up to 20%. 4. Improve your setup. I can help you level up by designing a custom landing page for free. A professional landing page builds trust and makes it easier for visitors to explore your affiliate offers. 5. Create dedicated content or a menu. On your landing page, you can include sections that guide visitors to different affiliate recommendations. This lets you target multiple niches or product categories, improving your chances of earning commissions. 6. Scale your promotions. With your landing page and dedicated content in place, you can start promoting across social media and other platforms, directing traffic to your offers with ease. This process is not just easy, it's scalable. Once you've made your first $10, you can repeat the steps to continue earning and even expand into new affiliate opportunities. Temu makes it simple to turn your free time into income with no upfront costs and plenty of room to grow. If you're looking for a fast, risk-free way to start a side hustle, affiliate marketing with Temu is the way to go. Use my link to get started, next contact me, and I'll help you with everything you need to succeed, from landing pages to content strategies. It's easy, flexible, and one of the best side hustles out there. Some people say making $200 this quickly is too good to be true. Why not try it yourself first? Then come back and let me know how it worked for you by leaving a comment about your experience. Let's support each other. See you soon.